pick out our refrigerator, we thought we would take y'all along. So let's go in and see what they've got.
So it's GM.
It's a GE.
GE, sorry.
GE brand.
These are Samsung.
Yeah.
LG. Here's GE. Well, this is 30.
Yeah, this ain't the one. Here's one. This is the...
Yeah, but
like I said, this is the one we want, but we don't want the...
we don't want this.
Right. So guys, we're looking for a GE brand because that's what the brand of our other appliances are. We finally found out, so we're on a hunt for one we found. There's Amanda.
This is it, right here.
Yeah, this is it. Okay. We found it, guys. It's this one right here. And it is on sale.
Look, it's got little water.
On sale for $15.99 till Tuesday.
Little water things.
Yeah, that's where the water comes out. So it's roomy looking.
Yeah.
Our budget, y'all, for our refrigerator is $1,800. I don't know if y'all remember that or not.
That goes the ice tray.
Some of them come with an ice scoop. I don't know if this one does. If not, we'll have to get one. Yeah, I like this. It's pretty, isn't it? And instead of having the outside ice dispenser and water dispenser, the one like that we just showed y'all is $600 more. So we decided that wasn't that important to us. So we save us a little bit of money. And this sale ends, like I said, on the 21st. So, yay, we're glad they have it. All right, well, so we're gonna try to find someone and go ahead and buy it. Hey guys, we bought the refrigerator. We're so happy because they had plenty of them in stock. Mana's a little happy. And then I'm off from work on Tuesday and they're able to deliver Tuesday. So it all turned out wonderful. I'm gonna turn you around so I can show you the receipt and show you whether we stayed in budget or if we went over or not. Okay guys, so here is the receipt. As I showed you in the video, the refrigerator was on sale for $15.99. So we did get the sale price. The $14.98 below it is a connector that is for the water. It's the water line basically. And that was an extra $14.98. Delivery was free after so much spent. I think it was like $300 and something. If you spend over that, delivery is free. So with tax and everything, it came out to $1,726.96. And our budget again was $1,800. So woohoo, we stayed in budget. And but anyway, I'll show you once it gets in the house. As I mentioned, we have our other appliances, or I think I mentioned that. But I'll show you once everything is put into the kitchen. We're just waiting for the electrician to come by now and get everything connected. So guys, we appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for all your support. We'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Thanks. Bye.